Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to the AI Guide where we're making AI human. What does that mean? It means that we focus on the human impact of AI rather than its coolness and other things. But that also means that we have to stay on top of current developments, right? Because AI is now clearly in its exponential phase. We have more proof of that in a minute. And so there's a lot to keep up with that will impact all of us. Real quickly, before we start today's episode, click the links below. Get my book on Amazon, The Beginner's Guide to AI, History of AI and Current Impact on 10 Different Industries. And also, the second link, free resources. Learn much more about AI than we can do in these short videos to prepare you for an AI-dominated future. And there's a lot of talk about that now, but we talk about it differently than all the other channels out there. So the AI competition has entered a new phase now. And we've seen that recently because I did a recent video on Microsoft investing $300 million in OpenAI. And right after that, Microsoft rolled out their new Bing, which is in the process of being rolled out. And Bing will now be AI driven. That meant Google had to respond to stay competitive. Now, let's be clear, because Google still controls 95% of the internet search market. That's a huge, completely dominant percent. And Microsoft introduced AI-driven Bing to try to counter that. And the results it presents are very different. We'll do a video on that separately. But Google has now responded. So here we go with Google's response to Microsoft's investment in OpenAI. Google has invested $300 million in an OpenAI competitor, Anthropic. Google's internal language modeling innovation has lagged behind Meta and OpenAI, and the company has already leaned on startup partnerships with Cohere and other startups after the company's acquisition of DeepMind in 2014. The DeepMind is doing some amazing stuff. We've done separate videos on that, but we're focused right now on search results, and that first part of the article is talking about conversational AI. Anthropic is developing a competitive foundation model to OpenAI's GPT-3 and already surpasses all non-OpenAI foundation models in question answering accuracy, according to Stanford researchers. We believe the company is valued at around $5 billion, granting a similar valuation per employee to OpenAI and Cohere. We expect startup research labs to pursue partnerships rather than acquisitions with tech giants to limit liability and support basic research. Several of these labs may independently become large public companies. So the competition has entered a new phase now with massive investments. $300 million is a major investment round. The only thing typically that would exceed an investment that size would be buying an entire company outright, which is not what happened here in either case with OpenAI or Cohere. So now that we have two tech giants going head-to-head on AI-driven search, it's going to change search results, right? Because historically search results, especially on Google, presented paid search first and then everything else. This model may impact that to some degree, although I doubt that Google is going to allow their primary revenue source to really get hurt in this, but it may just present results differently so that they're more understandable and easily captured, and you don't have to scroll through page after page of results looking for something very specific. With tech giants entering the AI competition even more directly, now keep in mind that Microsoft and Google have long had, 20 years long had, their own AI research centers, but now they're going outside of their companies because in startups is where the cutting edge stuff is being done. Big corporations over time become more conservative. This is widely understood research in the business community. And so they start looking to outside companies to take them to the next level in technology or customer interface or a number of things. This means that this is going to further accelerate AI because over time, with this additional funding, OpenAI and Cohere will produce other breakthroughs with that massive funding they just received. And keep in mind that there's other firms out there like DeepMind and many, many others now that are doing cutting edge research to bring AI to bear on things other than internet search. These new applications are going to be game changers in their own right, and that's why I started the AI Guide, to help you keep track of all these developments and understand what the human impact is. The human impact of the investment by Microsoft in OpenAI and the investment by Google in Cohere is better search results. But this will play out across the whole tech industry because these are the two dominant companies on the software side of the tech industry. So very interesting stuff. AI continues to steepen its exponential curve, which means that the changes are going to come faster and faster and faster. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Click those links below. Be well. I wish everyone a great week, and thank you to my supporters and especially subscribers that continue to grow day by day now. Thank you so much. We'll keep pushing to deliver you relevant stuff to your life and things that can help you prepare for this AI-driven future. Take care. Bye.